welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be in collaboration with the Main Choice, you guys. I got my hands on the entire Tropical Moringa line, you guys. You guys know I love the braid out glaze. If you haven't seen my previous video on the glaze, I will link it right there. But this collection is a 2-in-1 collection, like 2 collections in one. So, sis, I'm excited to do this. In this line, they have a shampoo, a rinse out or leave-in conditioner, a sealing cream, a hair mask, and the braid out glaze. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the shampoo. Look at that. Smells so good. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead. And y'all know I like to take my shampoo at the roots first. Nice lather. Such a nice lather. The shampoo has been applied to all of my hair, and I'm not going to even lie. This is very therapeutic for me because, you know, when you're in the shower, I feel like you just rush your shampoo in, but now while I was out here, I was really into, like, getting that scalp, and it smells so good. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to go rinse this out, and then I'm going to come back, and we're going to start with the detangling and adding conditioner and all that good stuff. So give me 1 second. I've rinsed out the shampoo, and I have a clip in here. So I'm just going to take my clip down. It's time to detangle. Let's section this hair one more time. So my hair is nice and clean. It's almost squeaky, but it's still moisturized and soft. But it's definitely clean. It's definitely clean. So it's a good shampoo. I like it. Now that my hair is completely shampooed, I'm going to go in with the hair mask. And this is the Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Mask. It's not that thick. It's thick, but like it has nice slip abilities. I could tell that this is going to have some nice slip to it. So I'm just going to apply this to my hair, and it smells so good. Smells so good. The mask is on. I have already shampooed my hair, as you saw, and now I have the hair mask on, and I'm about to sit under the dryer. I'm going to take the clips out because I am going to put the plastic cap on, of course. But my hair feels so good already. It feels so soft and juicy, and it smells amazing, of course. I feel like this is like a tropical treatment. Like, it's just like, I can imagine myself being on the beach getting my hair done with this. I don't know why. See how big that is, y'all? Nice and big. It's like the perfect size. So it says to sit under a dryer for 15 minutes. So I'm about to go sit on my dryer for 15 minutes. Then I'm going to rinse it out and come and show you guys the results. And then we're going to get started with the styling process. So let me go sit under the dryer. Then I'm going to rinse it out. Then I'm going to come back and we're going to start this wash and go. I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner in conjunction with the braid out glaze. I'll be back in just a minute. For a second. So if you guys hear water, I have water running. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like before I rinse it out. These caps are everything. Ooh, juicy. Oh, it's so soft. And it smells so good. Oh, yes. I love it. This is a very moisturizing deep conditioner. So if you need some moisture, this your girl. Okay, you guys, so my hair is completely rinsed out. The deep conditioner has my hair feeling so soft. It does not feel dry at all. So I'm about to section my hair off so we can get started with the styling. We're all sectioned. I'm going to be using the Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Rinse Out or Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going to be using this as a leave-in and not a regular conditioner. And I'm also going to be going in with the Pearly Braid Out Glaze. Alright, so I'm going to add more water. Leave-in conditioner time. Curl saying, hello, hello, sunshine. It's mighty good to see the bright sunshine. Y'all, the fact that everything smelled like the braid out glaze, it's warming my heart. All right. You guys don't know. Now you know. The braid out glaze is like slimy, tacky. Just gonna take my time and work this in. The root. Root, there it is. Get the root, there it is. Alright, I'm gonna do somewhat of some shingling, but not really. Nah, I'm gonna do shingling. Day, and I've already just like wrapped my hair, guys. This main choice bunny, let me tell you, ain't going nowhere. I do have a scarf under here. I thought I was gonna need to tie my edges down, but honey, this thing don't go nowhere. This is the edge tie, okay? But it's so big. Anyway, so I went to sleep, woke up, put some makeup on. I'm having a great day. I'm just having such a great day, you guys. But I got glitter falling all over my face, so if you see a little random glitter, it's from my eyeshadow. But you guys, the results are under here, and I think they look so good, so I'm ready to see how they look. All I did was sit under the hooded dryer for about 30 minutes, because, you know, when you shingle, you don't have to sit on the dryer for too long, and then I just wrap my hair up. So I haven't done anything else at all. No stretching, no blow dryer, nothing. Okay. So these are my curls, y'all. And my hair feels so soft, and it smells delicious. So freaking good. So I just put all my hair to the back, because when you shingle, you can actually part your hair anywhere. So I'm just gonna shake it. Y'all, my hair feels so soft. But these are my results from just using the Tropical Moringa line. And it feels so soft, and the definition, baby. The definition. Like, this is shocking the heck out of me. Like, I've used this before, but not with their products. Like, not just, like, with the whole line. But I'm really feeling this right now. But anyway, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is a 2-in-1 collection. Meaning you got your styling products, and you could do, like, a whole wash and go or whatever. And then you have products to refresh your hair a few days down the line. Also in this line, they have the sealing cream. And also the restorative spray. In a few days, you guys, I of course can't do it right now because my hair do not need refreshing. It feels so good. It is so soft. Like, no other gel has made my hair feel like this with this much definition and this much shine. Like, y'all know I already love that glaze, but this just made me, it just opened my eyes up a little bit more. Y'all ain't gonna see a lot of these other gels on my channel a lot. This is just too freaking cute, and the fact that it is not crunchy. It's not crunchy at all, and my hair looks so good and shiny. So super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and rock this wash and go for a few days, maybe about 3 days, and I'm gonna come back and refresh it and see how these two products actually go, like, mesh. Like, does it make my hair flake a little bit more? Is it nice? Can I, like, I'm gonna give you guys all the tea. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you guys this in a few days. All right, you guys, so it is, girl, I don't know what day it is, but my hair is old now, but it's still so soft, and I still got some curl poppage and stuff. With this outfit that I have on today, I kind of want my hair to be up. I figured I might as well go ahead and show you guys the refreshing process. So I do have their refreshers, which is the restorative spray, and also the sealing cream. I actually have been using this spray ever since I got it, y'all, just to add more, like, smells, because if you love the smell of this line, you're gonna love this spray. And I just, like, spray my hair with it, and y'all, when I go out, people be like, oh my god, you smell so good. And I'm just like, thank you. But I do want to do a high puff today because I just think it goes well. Like a little updo will go well with this outfit. So I was like, let me just do that. So what I like to do, and I have my tools here, but I like to add, I am going to add a little cream, a little of the cream to my hands. Just a little bit. Okay. Just like that. And I am going to go ahead, and since I do spray my hair, right? I already did that. But I do like to spray the actual cream as well. All right. Do a little concoction in your hand. Rub that in. And I'm just going to add it around the perimeter. Now, what's really great about these products is that they all go within the same line. So it's not going to create any like additional flaking or anything like that that's a little off and a little weird. So that's a good thing about using products within the same line. And I'm so happy they came out with their like refreshing portion. Like, what, sis? I'm here for it. So just going to go ahead and smooth all of this in. And add some more if you need it, boo. Add some more because you know you got to get this nice and sleek. Nice and sleek. I'm just going to spray some more. Man, I'm so addicted to that spray. It ain't even funny no more. Like, if they can make a perfume out of that smell, I'm here for it. Okay, so then you want to just go ahead and brush your hair, your edges. Not all the way through. Just your edges. Brush that up. Look at y'all getting 2 tutorials in one. So now that I got all of my hair smooth, look at that. Y'all see that shine? Sis, just gonna go ahead and pull all of this up. Now y'all see my vision for this outfit. Come on, Kim, she gang. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna take the hair tie and I'm gonna double it. All right, just like that. And y'all, that is how I get my puff. And all you want to do now is just like fluff it out. If any of your curls looking a little wimp, just take a little of the cream, put it on your finger like that right there, girl. And just take any curl that you want to be super defined. Just take it, add a little more cream, twirl that thing up like that. If you got just too much frizz, just add a little bit of that cream and it'll start defining back up. So I don't have many, y'all, because let me tell y'all, that braid out glaze, sis, I'm just saying. And if you need to go ahead and touch up your edges, do so. I like to spray my brush because this right here is like a little refresher. It like activates whatever is already on your hair. So I just like to spray that brush with a little moisture. And then, you know, go ahead and brush everything up. Make it nice and polished, sis. This is it, you guys. What? I'm saying, like, no flaking. My hair is old and there's no flaking at all. I've added these additional products and there's no flaking at all. So I'm all the way here for it, sis. I would have to say these are pretty bomb. These are pretty bomb. Now, don't apply too much of this because, of course, your hair already has product in it. You do not need to be heavy-handed with either one of these products. These are just going to reactivate what's already in your hair, okay? So make sure you're not really, really heavy with it, but just a little bit will go a long way. And, just smells amazing. So I hope you guys really like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you check out the Main Choice. They're also in CVS, so you can make sure you go ahead and check that out to get these products. But I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.